channel. I don't know if this is a new vlog or a continuation of the vlog that I did before, but hi. I'm dressed. Oh, she's on. I'm dressed. This is the, oh, it's day 9. It's day 18. Day 18, we're getting there. So, this is the first time in the quarantine lockdown that we are venturing out of the house. We're going to Pick and Pay. We need to get some things we've run out of. We also need to get, oh, my mom needs to pay the water and lights and a card that she has. So that's where we're going. I thought I'd show you what I'm having for breakfast because I'm not making breakfast. Anyway, let me show you. Okay, so this is what we had for dinner yesterday. These are chicken meatballs with cheese in them. This is noodles with chicken in them. And then this. It's cabbage with chicken pieces in it. And then my mom also made little muffins yesterday. So I'm gonna have some of this for breakfast quickly before we leave. Our grocery list. This is the discount stuff. We'll only get this stuff next week. This is what we're gonna get today from Pick and Pay because that's where we're going. They're limiting the number of people in the store, so I'm just grabbing some stuff and we'll be on our way. Hi everyone, so we just got back. I'm gonna do a quick grocery haul because my battery is actually dying, and yeah, that was a lot. It was intense. There was like lines outside. They were letting people in 10 at a time, but we're done. We're back. It took about, I think, an hour. Let me get my lemon drink though before I start. Okay, so while I wait for my water to cool down, I'm just gonna show you everything that we got. I just laid it out, so let's do that. Okay, so I'm gonna start here. We got these large brown tortilla wraps. I'm thinking of making wraps with like mince and stir fry, maybe even chicken. That would be nice. So we got these. I don't know how many are in here, but I know there's like, I think it's 6. Yeah, 6. So then Pick and Pay had the 3 for $35 on Simba chips, so we got those. My mom got licorice, frozen potato wedges, 2 of these burger buns, and then we got this pack of 8 beef burgers, and then she got 2 of these containers of liver, 1 small pack of stir fry for the wraps. We have 2 of these cotton terry swab cloths, 3 of these chicken 8-piece packs, a box of BCal DM, this, yeah, bone medication, a tiny thing of garlic because we do have in the fridge but we just don't want to run out, 2 2-liter Cokes, a peaches and cream bath foam, a small thing of Listerine, a pack of Raja, this is medium curry, and then we bought a normal Stoney and a strong Stoney. Sorry about the washing machine in the background, but we're almost done here. 1 pack of beef mince, lean. We have a pack of onions. It's a very tiny pack. I might have to get another one in 2 weeks or so. And then we finally found cocoa. This was very exciting. I was very, very excited. We've never bought this one specifically, but cocoa powder. We just needed cocoa powder, so very happy about that. So that is this tiny little haul that we got. This is day 18 of quarantine lockdown, so we had to run out and get these. Okay, so it's 6:41. The president is supposed to update us at 7:30. I'm just editing really quickly. Yep, this is my life now. I uploaded a video today and I'm editing tomorrow's one, and then I'm almost done. I just have to add some background music, and then I'm gonna edit the next day's one, so that tomorrow I just have to finish editing that. I have quite a few options to choose from. I have quite a few vlog folders here. What's up, everybody? It's my day to do the dishes. As you can see, we're gonna have a blast here. I had two fruit-free hot cross buns, so I didn't really feel like having my dinner, so I'm just having some desserto. There we go. It is Madeira again with the vanilla ice cream. It's amazing. But yeah, I'm just gonna wash the dishes. The president did just speak to us. Yeah, we're cool like that. Anyway, he didn't extend the lockdown, which is super exciting. We're still on day 17 tomorrow. Yeah, that would have been awkward to start afresh. That would have been so awkward. But yeah, we're still on day 17 tomorrow. I'm so excited we're getting to number 1. But yeah, let me wash these dishes and jam out, and then I'll end off the vlog a little later. It is late. It's 8:15. Yeah, dinner is really nice though. She made mash with tomato gravy and oven baked chicken, so it's pretty yum. I'll show you when I have it tomorrow, but damn. You know, when you have the G7X, it puts a filter over people's faces and kind of smooths their faces. I don't know if you've noticed. This camera is just, it does nice things for me sometimes too. Hello, people. You know, there we go. Have to be at a certain distance, otherwise it doesn't pick up. Like if I move back, oh, is it still there? I don't know, but I like it. Like now it's off now. At least I think it is. Yeah. Oh, there it's on. Anyway, I think I'm gonna vlog with this one just because of the portability. This is my shower playlist. So yeah, we're doing that. So it is 9:39 and I just finished editing tomorrow's vlog. I'm gonna export it now, and then I have to encode it, and then I can upload it. So hopefully I'll be done by 10:30. It shouldn't take too long to encode, so yeah, we're doing that. Then I have to decide which video I'm gonna post on Wednesday, so we're gonna do that too. But I thought I'd end off this vlog here. This is the end of day 18. Tomorrow's day 17. We're getting there, but yeah, it's the end of day 18 of the lockdown, and we're still going strong. We're still good, so I'll see you in the next vlog. It might be connected to this one, I don't know, but I'll see you in day 17 for sure.